वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने मुज़ाकरात आमन के लिए अहम मौका करार दे दिए। अमरीकी नायब सदर जेडी वेंस और कतरी हम मनसब के हमरा गुफ्तगू करते हुए वाजे किया कि सदर ट्रंप की मुदब्बिराना क़यादत के बाइस बातचीत मुमकिन हुई। मिलकर दुनिया में इत्तेहाद कायम कर सकते हैं। दुनिया भर में यहाँ से अमन का पैगाम जाएगा।
Peace and prosperity not only in the region where crisis really created humongous challenges, but this will have global peace. And I must, at this point in time, with the fullest sincerity of my domain, thank President Donald Trump for his visionary and very dynamic leadership, which has resulted in this meeting here today, beautiful city of Bergenstock. And I think here we are going to have wonderful discussions which will lead to hopefully very productive results in times to come. I'd like to thank Vice President Jerry Vance for his very able leadership, leading the United States team, and my very dear brother, Prime Minister of Qatar. He's like a very dear and dear brother.